Hey guys, it's me again, and today I want to do some experiment with managers. Only today I found that we can delete them. Here you can see the red button, and I'm wondering if I can delete all my common green managers and try to recreate higher ones, blue ones or violet with higher stats. And I'm wondering if the higher price will decrease after deleting one of managers. So let's try to do it on somebody not very valuable, like, I don't know. Okay, let's do it on this one. And let's remember, new hire will be 3020 IE. I'm trying to delete that. Yes. Okay, I deleted it. And let's refresh. Why I'm trying to do it, I have a lot of green ones on the floors, and I like to have more violet and more violet here on the elevator. Yeah, look, the higher price decreased, so I can delete as many as I want and hire them for low price. Wow, it looks very nice, so maybe I can delete some. But one important point, I can delete only not busy managers. For example, here I don't have a lot of managers on some floors, and it means that all managers are busy here, so they are assigned on specific floor. So I can't delete this assigned. For example, you can see floor 1, it is assigned for floor 1, and I can delete it because it is assigned. So I need to hire somebody on this floor, not on the empty one. And maybe in this case it will not be auto-assigned, and I can delete, I can swap and hire somebody else. Delete them and hire somebody else. So it is very interesting. Sometimes it is very expensive to hire somebody else. And let's see, I'm on the floor 1 and I need to hire somebody. Green again, and it is not assigned, so I can, as you see, higher price is much bigger, and I want to delete it. Yes, thank you. What? Yes, I want to delete them. It doesn't work or what? Okay, it was deleted. Close, open again, price is same. Reload the page and check if the price decreased again. So let's see. In this case, I can delete as many as I want just because they are all assigned, but with this current price, let's see, yeah, higher price decreased again, and I can try to hire somebody higher. Cool. So violet one it's nice to practice, so I can swap them, delete unassigned one. So for example, I have some floors with a big benefit here. For example, I have this floor and my elevator can't go down because it has enough here, and I want to upgrade my elevator to go down, and I want to assign manager with high grade here. So it is quite interesting mechanism. So I'm not sure if it was predicted by developers or not. Probably yes. But anyway, they have issue with decreasing hiring price without page refresh. So probably not predicted. So not a bug, but a feature. Okay, so if it helped you, please give me a like, subscription, or if you're interested in the game and you haven't played it before, please use my referral link. It will help me a lot. So this is it. Yeah. So goodbye.